Most people are looking for a magic pill, but the truth is much harder to swallow. You don't need more motivation. You need a better identity. You are the sum of your repetitions. If you want a life that 99% of people don't have, you have to do what 99% of people aren't willing to do. These are the 10 habits of silent transformation. 1. Wake up before the world. Before the noise, before the notifications, and before the scroll. This is the only time of day when you can truly meet yourself. When you show up while everyone else is sleeping, you've already won the psychological war. 2. Make your bed. It's not about neatness, it's about momentum. By completing this simple task, you win the first battle of the morning. It proves that the small things matter, because how you do anything is how you do everything. 3. Cold showers. This is discipline in 60 seconds. If you can force yourself into freezing water when every cell in your body is screaming for warmth, you can conquer anything. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Kill it every morning. 4. Daily walks without your phone. No music, no podcasts, no distractions. Just clarity. Most of your best ideas aren't born in front of a screen. They are born in the space between your thoughts. Learn to be alone with your mind again. 5. 1 hour of deep work. No tabs, no phone. Just brutal, focused productivity on your most important goal. In a world full of distracted people, the ability to focus for 60 minutes straight is a literal superpower. 6. Lift heavy, physically and mentally. Iron sharpens everything. When you push your body to its limits, you teach your mind that impossible is just a temporary feeling. Motion destroys stagnation. 7. Read 10 pages daily. This rewired my thinking. My brain stopped craving the cheap dopamine of social media and started craving growth. You are consuming the life's work of the greatest minds for the price of a coffee. 8. No screen time for the first hour of the day. Protect your mind before the world floods it with other people's opinions and agendas. Own your morning so you can own your life. 9. Say no a lot. Not to be rude, but to stay dangerous. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to your goals. Protect your time like your life depends on it, because it does. 10. Remind yourself daily. No one is coming to save you. You are the rescue plan. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect person. It's just you and the work. These habits won't change you overnight, but they will change you permanently. Evolve in silence, stacking tiny wins, building a new man. Because the loudest transformations always happen quietly.